What's up, Wichita? Welcome to another drive-thru edition of Live Local. Today we're going back to Uno Mas. We're not getting street tacos, we're getting a burger. A Mexican burger. Check it out. Go! Awesome, thank you so much. Thanks. All right, so I just picked up the food. Got some mild salsa. Actually, that's for the wife because I picked her up some Bam Bam shrimp tacos because she loved those so much. What? Had to pick her up some more, so there you go. Okay, but today I got a Mexican burger. Ooh, it looks delicious. Here, check out what this looks like. All right, so this baby looks delicious. It's got jalapenos falling off of it, and that's great because I love the heat. Mayonnaise, mustard, pickles, jalapenos, lettuce, tomato, some caramelized onions on here. Let's go in. All right, we're gonna go in for the first bite here. Oh, there's a pickle. Look at that. Double meat. It's also got a hot dog sliced in half on there, double meat cheese. Hot dog, man, looks delicious. That's really good first bite. Definitely messy, but really good flavor. I can taste a little bit of the heat of the jalapenos that are on there. Nice mixture of mayonnaise and mustard. The hot dog adds a little flavor to the beef. I can taste the cheese, caramelized onions. I mean, it's just all these flavors thrown into one burger. Tastes really good. I'm gonna go in for another bite. So you can see there the hot dog sliced in half. Man, super messy, but super good. Lots of flavor. Try a jalapeno. A little bit of heat there. This thing is falling apart, but it's delicious. I would not advise eating this while driving, so make sure you pull over or wait till you get home where you have a lot of napkins, paper towels around to clean up the mess of this delicious burger. Man, it's so good. Kind of like when Darren and I went to Mr. Taco. You can watch that video here. We had to get a spoon to eat the rest of the tacos because they just fell out all over the place. They're really good too. All right, so all in all, that is an excellent burger at Uno Mas here. Called the Mexican burger. I'm not real sure why it's called the Mexican burger. Maybe because of the smashed avocado on there, but it's just a really good double meat cheeseburger with an all beef hot dog slice put on there with mayonnaise and mustard. It's just an all-around good burger. Jalapenos make it spicy. It's just good. So if you're out and about, if you're essential, if you're out working, swing by Uno Mas on Tyler and 13th right here. Hey, tell them you saw this video on Live Local and you wanted to come try out the Mexican burger. I think you'll enjoy it. It's a really good burger. As always, I'm Troy, reminding you to live local. Stay safe. See you next time. Lots of salsa in here. I got a I can't say Mexican. I got a oh my gosh. I got a Mexican burger. Ooh. It looks